Hi, my name's Josh and I'm one of the co-founders of Scite. Today I want to show you how Scite can help with your research. To do so, let's take a look at an example from my own research. In this case, I put in a question: how does trisomy impact the rate of chromosome misaggregation in cancer cells? I put this into Scite Assistant. Scite Assistant will give you a nice response, a few paragraphs or up to 15 pages of fully referenced report. In this case, it says trisomy significantly elevates the rate of chromosome misaggregation in cancer cells. That claim is pulled directly from my article. You can hover over this citation that you see in Scite Assistant and easily verify that that is what the article says. Scrolling through to see that this article presents that evidence, whether that's in the results section, the discussion section, the abstract, etc. Going beyond this, we also show you not just that this article exists and here's what the article says, we also show you how that article's been cited. Has it received supporting information? Has it been challenged by others? Really providing a secondary level of trust. We call these smart citations. Smart citations are a very easy way for you to see how any article, topic, researcher, journal, or virtually anything has been cited. Here you can see my article published in eLife has been referenced by 104 different publications. In this case, an article published in MBOC and published 3 years after mine says, in agreement with previous work, and then they cite my study, the trisomic clone showed similar aberrations, albeit to a lesser extent, supplemental figure S2b. This excerpt of text, or this citation context, has been extracted from the results section of the citing article. We then utilize a deep learning model to classify these sentences at scale, looking over 1.3 billion citation statements extracted from 65 million full-text research articles. This allows you to very quickly and easily see, is this article trustworthy, how are people interpreting it, and is there supporting or contrasting evidence in the literature? On the left side of the screen, you can see there's a variety of different ways of looking at this. You can search and see which of these citation statements mention yeast, maybe because you're looking at yeast and not mammalian cells. You can also filter by where the in-text citations appear. Filtering by in-text introduction section citations are then going to give you single-sentence summaries directly from experts in the literature that can help with interpretation. If you're interested in chromosome misaggregation and that's not specific to a research question or it's not specific to a research article, you can also utilize our search. Our search allows you to put in a few different keywords. You can build out a complex Boolean search using our advanced search, and what it will do is look at the articles, not just in the title or the abstract, but also within the articles, showing you exactly how your topic of interest has been discussed. This is a powerful way to look at who's publishing in this area, what are they saying. You can also see where is their supporting articles, or which are the most supported articles on my topic of interest. Again, this is a powerful way to see who are the research leaders who are emerging in this space, and then what is being done in this space. Search is quite powerful for really looking at not just a specific question, but a broader area. As mentioned, you can build out a complex Boolean query or just put in a few different keywords, and what you'll see is directly how that topic has been discussed. We automatically sync with your collections or your subscriptions, so it's one click to view the final PDF if you want to look at the article. In addition to this, we also make it easy for you to tie in complex searches or very precise searches into Scite Assistant. You can do that by creating a dashboard. The Scite dashboard will aggregate your search, whether that's done on Scite or whether you're bringing that information in, to create a nice aggregated overview of the information here. In this case, you can see how many articles match, the breakdown of the citation types, whether there's any editorial corrections, etc. Then you can utilize this information in Scite Assistant and say, summarize all of these articles, summarize the study. Under this, if you select settings and go to dashboards, you're now going to tell the AI to go through and summarize each of those individual articles. Not only can you get summaries, you can also ask about sample sizes, you can ask about limitations, you can ask the different specimens, whether that's mouse, whether that's humans, or whether that's something else. And so utilizing AI really as your research assistant. Scite Assistant differentiates itself because it has the world's most comprehensive access to research articles, going beyond just abstracts as well as titles and open access articles into the full text of scholarly articles. That's useful for writing literature reviews, whether those are a few paragraphs and a few different questions, or really a fully referenced report for you to take and to start a draft.